Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Journey channel. Now who here loves a bit of basil? I absolutely love it. The smell, the taste, it's just brilliant. And you know what's even more brilliant? How amazingly good it is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible health benefits of this wonder herb. We're talking about everything from boosting your immune system to giving your skin a healthy glow. So, whether you're a basil beginner or a seasoned pro, get ready to discover the power of this little leaf. Let's get started. First up, basil is absolutely bursting with vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin K, A, C, plus calcium, magnesium, iron, and potassium. It's like a tiny nutritional powerhouse. So adding a sprinkle of basil to your dishes isn't just about flavor. It's like giving your body a mini health boost. Now, basil is a real superhero when it comes to antioxidants. It's packed full of flavonoids and polyphenols, which help protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants are like little warriors fighting off those nasty free radicals that can lead to all sorts of health problems. Ever heard of eugenol, linalool, and citronellol? Don't worry if not, just know they're powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in our star ingredient basil. These clever compounds can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing those aches and pains. So basil isn't just delicious, it's like a little anti-inflammatory friend. Want to keep your ticker ticking happily? Basil can help with that too. This amazing herb can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, two major factors for a healthy heart. So adding basil to your diet is like giving your heart a little love. Basil is like a natural defender against those pesky bugs that can make us ill. It's got antimicrobial properties that can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. It's like having a little army of good guys protecting your body from the inside out. Got a bit of a sluggish digestion? Basil to the rescue. This wonder herb can actually help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. A happy belly means a happy you. Feeling stressed or a bit down? Well, basil can actually help with that. Compounds like linalool have calming effects that can help reduce stress and improve your mood. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, why not try adding some basil to your meal? It's like a little dose of calm. Want that healthy glow? Basil's got your back. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can work wonders for your skin, helping to treat acne and eczema. So not only does basil taste great, it can help you look and feel amazing. Basil has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels, which is great news for people with diabetes or those looking to keep their blood sugar in check. It's like having a little helper to keep those sugar levels balanced. Got a cold, the flu, or maybe struggling with asthma? Basil can help. It can help to relieve respiratory issues, making it easier to breathe. It's like a soothing balm for your airways. So there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of this incredible herb. From boosting your immune system to giving your skin a healthy glow, basil really is a superstar ingredient. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the power of basil, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and tricks, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can discover the amazing benefits of basil too. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.